the complexities, the dealing with the city. We had a civil engineering issue that was just a disaster that I learned a tough lesson on. The leasing was significantly more difficult. We were definitely led to believe that the leasing would, if you build it, they will come. And it just took way longer. And just compared to just buying something that's already existing, that's already leased up, and buying at a discount, I mean, it's hard to even compare how much better it is just to buy something that's built. I respect a lot of people that, have that creativity and the desire to go out and build things, but I just decided that just wasn't for me.
And was it a shopping center?
No, it was a medical office building. The lesson we learned was we had a massive medical tenant, like 10,000 square feet, kind of massive for us. That was big. We were told by the Economic Development Corporation and like pretty much everybody, hey, build a second floor. As soon as you build it, there's enough demand to lease it. So we said, okay, sure, great. And then got to do the elevator and you got to do, all these other engineering things to make sure that it works. And it just did not lease. We knew that we had our bases covered with that first tenant, but then the idea is you make your profit on the second floor. And so it took a long time to get that second floor leased up. And so time kills deals. And so time went by and that really like ate into our ability to make a profit on the project. We didn't lose money. And thank goodness everything's kind of gone up in value. We haven't exited it yet. We still own it, and we'll make money on it one day. But it's definitely been a long journey.
Is it just because it's harder to lease where that property is? It's just harder to lease a second floor out. Does that, because I would think Austin is absolutely booming medical office. Broadly speaking, I would think it would be a robust category. Maybe COVID was different, depending on the kind of tenants you're talking about. But is that what it was?
Yeah, we overestimated not only the desire, but also, Austin versus San Marcos, which is 30 minutes south of Austin. It costs just as much to build in San Marcos as it would in Austin, but the tenants' leasing expectations are to pay leases that are significantly lower than what it would be in Austin. So that was definitely a big lesson learned as well.